Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting the unpair now. First, put the AirPods in their case and keep the lid open so the status light is visible. Make sure the device currently paired is nearby and unlocked. This lets you confirm disconnection immediately. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and Bluetooth. On Mac, open System Settings or Bluetooth menu. If it's Android or Windows, open Bluetooth settings for the paired device. Once done, you'll be ready to remove the AirPods from that specific device. Now perform the removal action on the device that shows AirPods as connected. On iPhone or iPad, tap the info icon next to the AirPods entry and choose Forget this device. Confirm the choice. On Mac, locate the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, click the three dots or right-click and select Remove. For Android or Windows, select the paired AirPods and choose Unpair or Remove. After removing, make sure Bluetooth is still on so you can verify the AirPods no longer appear in the paired list. Finish by resetting the AirPods when you need a full disconnect. With the lid open, hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. That clears previous pairings. Next, verify on any other device that the AirPods no longer appear in Bluetooth lists. If they still show, reboot the device, update its OS, and repeat the reset. One troubleshooting tip: if unpairing fails, sign out of iCloud on the device that still links to the AirPods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.